Hey, it's Anana from Formaloo. In this video, I'll teach you how to create an employee self-evaluation survey that is easy to use and customized according to your specific needs. Let's start. From your dashboard, click on Blank Formaloo, then Blank Form. Here, you can start customizing the survey. After clicking on Add Field, you can access all the different features you can use to customize your form. By adding content, you can have small introductions between the same types of questions or write any type of comments you wish. 0 to 10 score can be used when you want numerical ratings for things like satisfaction or performance. You can define minimum and maximum points by adding text in minimum and maximum message fields. You can also define the maximum score number. Adding long text field allows you to have open-ended questions to get more personalized and detailed responses from survey takers. Single or multi-choice questions are good for making responses easy to analyze and compare. From the Design tab, you can choose whether questions will be displayed in one page or separate pages. You can stay updated on your survey responses with our alert system. Turn on Notify Respondents and enter your email address in the Send Email To field to get notifications straight away. For more team members to stay informed, add their email addresses to the Forward Submit Email To field. Hope you found this video useful and inspiring. We are excited to see your Formaloos. See you next time!